Hi, if you're new to trading, every day there is new sets of persons who come into the space and they'll be looking for a crypto exchange to trade with. Here we have one of the best exchange, so you can easily go to your mobile app. If you're using an iOS, you go to the App Store or just go to the website at bitmex.com, click on download on App Store. Then it's already downloaded on my mobile phone, so it says open. In yours, it may not, so you'd have to download it. If you are using an Android, you have to get it on Google Play. Tap on Google Play, it's download. Or look at the bottom, you can see a short way by clicking the option on download. Then you get the app downloaded on your phone. Then you would have to sign up and register. Now there is a bonus of 5,000 USD there, but then there is rules on how to be a partaker in it. So when you sign up, you deposit, you can trade both futures, sports. As you can see here, you can see Solana, all of these sports coins, you can trade them, right? Doge, Solana, Ripples, SBT, ETHUSDT, a lot of crypto coins, and you can see informations on new listing. For example, Dude USDT, XXT USDT, Launchcoin USDT. These are new listing. You can see informations on top gainers. Axie Infinity is gaining with 13%. Red USDT Z25 is gaining with 103% in a day. So these informations are all you would see. Now this is on the website. If you want to trade with the app, you would have to go to your App Store to download it or your Google Play Store to download it. Now you have to know that this exchange have been on for several years. It is one of the transparent exchanges, so you would have no problem trading with them. On CoinMarketCap, this is an information about Bitmex, and in the last 24 hours, the total trading volume is 582,213,346 million USD. And in this, we have spots and the derivative volume. The derivative volume having a higher percentage, meaning a lot of persons love to trade futures on this exchange. Derivative is also known as the futures market, so the one you open with the leverage. Then the spot one is over 74,000 USDT. And you can read information about the exchange here. The statistics for the past 30 days has been going up, and this for the sports you can see the sports assets that they have. Bonk, the leading sports on Solana ecosystem. The Bonk, the leading meme coin on Solana ecosystem. You can have Trump and a lot of all of them. In derivative, there are so many derivative assets. You could see all of them. COC has been gaining a lot massively these past few days. Dogecoin, which is much more famous with icons like Elon Musk, Ripple, and a lot of all of these top ecosystem coins like Solana, F, and BTC. Okay, so this is a roundup. So if you're looking to get started, you can check the description of this video. You would see a link to register to be a trader in Bitmex, or you can simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search up the name and download the app to trade with. Yeah, they are reliable and you can check them out on their socials, right? They have like their Twitter. Go to the website, go to your browser, search for Bitmex or search for CoinMarketCap, search for Bitmex, and then you would have access to the Twitter, right? Or in the description below, I will drop the social media handle so you can follow them up and be among the traders of the leading exchanges.